If and only if DJI can get the mic to turn the camera on like Insta360. Oh man. If and only if Extra can get a microphone and a mic to wake up their extra cameras. Oh man. I'm Fish. That is why I like Insta360 way better than any other camera on the market at today, the moment. Tomorrow, ask me again. The Insta360 microphone wakes the camera up a day later, 2 days later. But it's got a vibration on the Mic Pro, but not on stop recording. I don't feel it. I don't know what's wrong. I don't know what's happening. I like and gotten used to the DJI Mic 2, but any Bluetooth product on the market interferes with it. And that's their product and not DJI's. I got a product. It's the Extra SPHA 360. Why the name SPHRA? S-P-H-R-A. It should have been S-P-H-E-R-E or just a different name altogether. We'll just call it the Extra 360 camera. I don't know if I'm going to stop, take the lens covers off, switch over to the microphones, and get a 5-second shot and try to switch on over to the microphone again. I wish the mic would have connected every single time to the cameras, no matter what camera went on, then pair linking it up every single time. Oh, I don't blame Extra because they don't have a mic on the market. But that's DJI's mic. At least they work with other cameras, DJI's mic. Just one other camera company, that is. I don't know if the camera's on. I didn't feel a vibration. But we're riding along, getting the shot. As I head across the bridge and over and off I go. My video is not being negative, but it's just being to the camera, to you, what I like, dislike, works for me, what I like. If you don't like it, then go get one and maybe you can see what I'm talking about. And yeah, there's always a select few out there. And that's the way it is, man. I enjoy my cameras. The thing is, I can't wait for the Insta360 Luna. It's out already, and it's already being debuted. 2 versions. You got the Luna and the Ultra. Which one do I like? I don't like the Ultra's big, bulky head. Well, you know what? That's like what, $769? And the Luna is $599. It's like almost $179 difference, if asked. You can't get the DJI Pocket 4 or the 4 Pro, and it's going to be a lot of money just to get that camera in the US of A. And that's where the Insta360 Luna is what I want to get. It's here, it's available, and no waiting on it. And the thing is, we all got to wait for the Extra Muse 2 and Muse 2 Pro. It's going to be just time down the road. It should have been out, the Extra Muse 2. It should have been out when DJI Pocket 4 came out. Why such a delay? Well, maybe because they want to change the color, put a little gray in it like they got on the Extra Muse. Or maybe they just want to see how well it does with DJI first and how many people are asking for it. Extra and on the platform, they are just making you got it, and they're teasing you. And the price is up, the price is down, the price is up, the price is down. How are you supposed to sell? Take that as a hint that the Muse 2 is coming. There's no secret at all. Everybody knows it's going to be out. It's on Instagram, it's on TikTok, it's on YouTube, it's on blogs. The DJI Pocket 4 and Pocket 4 Pro is coming. Ooh, the Extra Muse 2 and the Extra 2 Muse Pro is a coming. And it's going to be at, you got it, $25 less than the Pocket 4. Speculation. That's what we can do. This is what the Muse 2 is going to look like. It's going to look like something that you have the screen and it's going to flip from the edge. It's not going to flip from the center. And that's all they're going to be changing. Maybe just the interface's color and the where. Slow motions first, not photo first. Not video first, not time lapse first. But slow motion, video, and then something else. I am like, am I going to get the GoPro Mission Pro? I probably am. Am I going to get it like the day it came out as pre-order? I was. Was I going to get it the day it's on Amazon? I was thinking about it. May I get it maybe today, tomorrow, the next day, and just show and tell. I got a camera. I use it. I don't know if I want to get the GoPro just to have it, but I get the GoPro because I run a site. I help out. I share. And the site don't want to get us any GoPro camera at all to help anyone out because we volunteer. Oh, there it is. There's the Extra 360 on the bicycle. I should do the second half of the video just with the single lens. And I have to hold it like this, just like that. I can't hold it on the 45 degree. And that's the only file system in this camera. Single lens, MP4. Everything else, follow me, right? Follow me mode, not MP4. And it doesn't do 360 as a backup file like Insta360. So is this really a 360 camera with XTC or XTS? Those are the files. And I heard of those files, but INSV, maybe XTS is a better file. Isn't that a group, a song just about? Well, those files are pretty good, but this camera should have MP4 files and follow me. All I am saying. I didn't even feel the buzzer. But look at this. This is made of gold. I'm rubbing it off. Something gold got on it. Ooh, that scared me. I thought the stick was turning to a different color. Where did I get gold that got on there? Well, I put it on here and I grab it. Oh, there is. There is. Right there, people. Look. It's starting a rainbow. I think I'll let this thing go in time lapse and watch the rainbow start. You can always chase the rainbow and see them. Yes, indeed, man. Beautiful shot indeed. I'm finished doing 360. Don't got much more to do. I went out what I wanted to do. I got 3 shots. Can't edit on Windows until I get a better machine. And you can see what I'm saying, how this thing just, moves as I try to put these lenses on. Who made this type of design, trying to get these lens caps to snap? Should have made a little bit better design if asked. I mean, you could get them on right the first time. Lift your stick, make sure this is tight, and this just rotates around like I showed you. Have a lens cloth. Place it over. Put the micro cloth. Close it up. That's how I like to protect my camera. Yeah, I dropped some currency for somebody so they could grab it. All right, I'm all done here. I did my highlight, did my talk, did my share, did my show, did my ride. I got things to take care of and meet up with Joe. I got some important bizwax to discuss with. No, not at all, man. I do the things my way, or it's the highway. Oh, yeah. I gotta go do one edit, and I'm done for the day. And I'm gonna go now, ride along, get on out of here, get the show going. Got a seat for me that's cushiony, maybe leather and not neoprene. I hate neoprene, man. It sticks to your butt and holds you on there. And, summertime, it causes a rash. Who makes neoprene seats? This is imitation vinyl. It's starting to go. I want a seat just like this. Can't get it no more. Maybe I'll go for that Cannondale seat that I saw. I think it was leather. I'll go back to Dick's and go get it. Well, DJI, thank you for coming along. I wish you had some filters in this camera, but you don't. You work, do a good job. Now it's starting to rain. Let's get on out of here. Well, I'm out of here. I see you on the next Cannondale Adventure 2. If it's with the Insta360 X5 and the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, or the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, or the extra Sphere 360, or whatever camera I grab and go. And on that note, later.